tear it apart. The lies they sold right from the start. Gilded idols, false and bright. We'll burn them down, we'll win the fight. Worship the fake, the silver and gold, and underneath their blood and soul. Heroes of old, now running away, pumping for the rich, they kneel to pay. I contemplate the falling from grace, exposing your lies will reveal your face. No more your kingdom, no more your throne. I'm tearing you down, we'll burn you down. I'll burn you down. Creatures of hate, they're all the same. Shackling lies, they play their game. Greed and corruption, it's all that they crave. We won't let you drag us to the grave. You built your empire on our backs, but the truth's too loud for you to attack. We rise as one, we're safe for your lies. Your falls begun, no place to hide. I contemplate the falling from grace. Exposing your mask will reveal your face. No more your kingdom, no more your crown. I'm tearing you down, I'll burn you down. I'll burn you down. I'll burn you down. I contemplate the falling from grace. Exposing your mace, now burning soul. Heroes of old, now running away. Coming for the rich, they kneel to pay. I contemplate the falling from grace. Exposing your mask will reveal your face. No more your kingdom, no more your crown. We're tearing you down, I'll burn you down. I'll burn you down. Down. Down with the idols, down with the fake. We'll tear you apart, we'll watch you break. Uncontrolled lies, it's time to die. The truth will rise and we'll take the sky. We'll burn you down. We'll burn you down. Walking through the lies, back to the left. Living in fear forever our class. Don't want to think, don't want to say, but we're all combined. We're breaking away. You with a change, just to fit in. Lie to the fact that you're bound within. Rules and traditions, no place to be free. It's time to wake up, it's time to see. You with a change, just to fit in. Lie to the fact that you're bound within. Rules and traditions, no place to be free. It's time to wake up, it's time to see. Chains of conformity to drag us down. Break the silence, tear down the ground. No more submission, no more lies. We'll rise above and burn the disguise. They tell us we're to love, tell us to hate. Stuck in the cycle, it's never too late. We change the norm, we check the past. We are the future, we are free at last. They tell us how to love, tell us who to hate. Stuck in the cycle, it's never too late. We check the norm, we check the past. We are the future, we are free at last. Conformity shades, they will not hold. We're rising up, ringing the ball. Crushing the system, we will obey. The revolution starts today. Chains of conformity to drag us down. Break the silence, tear down the ground. No more submission, no more lies. We'll rise above and burn the disguise. They'll swung in the rules of crack. We'll fight the system and we'll turn back. Don't tell us how to live or what to be. We're breaking these chains, we're setting us free. Of conformity, they drag us down. Break the silence, tear down the ground. No more submission, no more lies. We'll rise above and burn the disguise. Days are broken, the truth is clear. No more control, no more fear. We're free at last, no more to gain. We'll take the world and we'll stake our claim. Within this fate to revere. But we see the cracks, the hollow core. Now we burn what they endured. 1,000 voices, no silence and fear. So one to worship, one to revere. But we see the cracks, the hollow core. Now we burn what they endured. The collapse of belief is crumbling fast. No more lies, no more math. We tear it down, we take it all. From the ruins, waste and all. Go on, the institution built on deceit. Now the foundation's beneath our feet. We'll tear the pages, we'll break the chains. No more control, no more reign. The institution's built on deceit. Now the foundation's beneath our feet. We'll tear the pages, we'll break the chains. No more control, no more reign. You promised us salvation, you promised us peace. But we were left with nothing, just hunger and grief. Now the curtain's pulled back, the truth's in our eyes. We see through your lies, and we will rise. The collapse of belief is crumbling fast. No more lies, no more math. We tear it down, we take it all. From the ruins, we stand tall. Our guns are dead, our flags are torn. We've been reborn, we've been reborn. The lies you sold, the promises made. We tear them down, we won't be swayed. A collection belief is crumbling fast. No more lies, no more mask. We tear it down, we take it all. From the ruins, we stand tall. No afraid, no change, no walls. We take the ruins, we stand tall.